can you give me a little bit of context of how you ended up in your current role leading a GTM cloud migration and modernization team at IBM? Was IT infrastructure, was cloud, were these things you were thinking about early on in your career, or were there circumstances that happened with previous milestones, with previous journeys that led you to this place?
Well, Joshua, when I started my career, there was no cloud. There was infrastructure, of course, but there was no cloud. So I started my career as a software engineer, working with languages like COBOL, C, C++. And then slowly, as I moved into my career, I saw that, slowly I saw cloud coming in, I saw virtualization coming in, and I shifted my interest to virtualization. And then when we were doing virtualization, that is where, the infrastructure part started, moving into my career. Saying that, if I do if I do software coding, and how it is impacting my consumption of the infrastructure, and that is how the infrastructure part of it started coming in. Then from 2010 onwards, cloud was became prominent, and I moved to the SaaS model of the cloud, and that is what it was during that time, which was very interesting. So we were moving in, and that was a time when we had salesforce.com, and I was working on salesforce.com, on the PaaS environment, on the SaaS environment. And then slowly I moved into my cloud background and cloud experiences, gaining cloud experiences, and then AWS, and then Azure, and then Google, and everybody started coming in. And I slowly moved from the traditional software development to a cloud software development, and then to a consultant, to become a go-to-market and consultant for IBM Cloud. So I moved from a traditional to a cloud virtualization environment in my 20 years of career, Joshua.